Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful hummingbird, and she had given birth to a sweet young bird. She took good care of her young one and fed it all she could collect from the nature around her. The young bird grew healthy and beautiful like her mother. As time went by, the mother bird knew that it was now time for a child to learn to fly. The mother bird fluttered and showed her child all the skills needed to fly, but the child was too afraid to try. Mama bird knew that if her child didn't try, he will not be able to migrate to the warm country far away when the winters came. Every day she grew anxious, hoping that her child would try the first step to come out of the nest. As days went by, the child became more and more restless. As the temperature started dropping, the child became desperate. Putting all his fears behind, he decided to step out of the nest. And so, he did just that. And just as he did it, he started falling towards the ground. The world seemed to end. The little one, in desperation, spread his wings, trying to reach out for his mother. And look, a miracle happened. As he spread his wings, the air lifted him up and up and up. Within no time, he was flying through the air. He hovered and danced in joy, and so began his journey. He flew to new and far-off lands, enjoying all the way. He had made it. He had learned to fly, and fly to his dreamland far away. He had no fear anymore. Moral of the story: a journey of 1,000 miles must begin with the first step. If you like this channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get more inspirational stories. Thank you.